Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Imagine spending an entire workday, 8 hours, manually visiting company websites and copying contact information one by one into a spreadsheet. Now imagine getting the same work done in 2 minutes while you grab a coffee. This AI agent on Task AGI does exactly that. It automatically visits company websites, finds their contact pages, extracts email addresses and phone numbers, then updates your Google Sheet with everything it finds. No copy and paste, no human error, just automatic lead collection at scale. Here's how it works under the hood. The agent starts by reading your Google Sheet where you've listed all the company websites you want to research. Then it creates a loop that processes each company one at a time. For every website, an AI-powered browser automation visits the site, intelligently navigates to the contact page just like you would, and pulls out the relevant information. It's smart enough to handle different website layouts without any custom coding from you. Once the contact info is extracted, the agent searches your spreadsheet to find the exact row for that company, then writes the information into the correct cell. This whole cycle repeats for every company in your list, processing hundreds of leads while you focus on actually reaching out to them instead of collecting data. The setup takes about 5 minutes. You'll connect your Google Sheets account so the agent can read and write to your spreadsheet. Then you'll enable the browser automation integration, which is built right into Task AGI. After that, you just point the agent to your spreadsheet URL, and it handles the rest. This is perfect for sales teams building prospect lists, marketers researching partnerships, or anyone who needs contact information from multiple companies. What used to take 3 minutes per company manually now happens in seconds, automatically. Stop spending your day on data entry. Deploy this agent now and turn 8 hours of tedious work into 2 minutes of automation. Get started at taskagi.net.